Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. This is the weekly Walmart grocery haul and weekly meal plan. So everything that you see here was, let's see, about $40 is how much we spent. And we did like 5 different transactions. We bought stuff from my fund money, grocery, and from my medical bill or my medical envelope, and I will get to that. I don't know where my meal plan. Oh, Jerry, can you give me that clipboard? It's like on the others, on this counter right here. Sorry, Jerry, I don't have the menu plan. Anyway, so at Walmart we got these smoked pork hogs. I call them hog jaws. It's when you put it in the black eyed peas and the greens for New Year's. And this is the only time I actually buy it is during the holidays. So we picked a pack here. I'm not going to use it all. I'm just going to use half of it and give the other half to my mom. We need some potatoes. I picked up some Fruit Loops, some Life. We picked up some of these Opal apples. Jared wanted some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. That's what he used his gift card on. Here's some black eyed peas. Again, we're not going to use all of it because that's way too much beans for me and Jared. So we're just going to split it, give half to mom. We're going to use half. Apple juice because we haven't had apple juice in a while. So cream of celery for a recipe, cream of mushroom for a recipe. We wanted some fresh fruit. Well, I wanted fresh fruit this week. So I got some raspberries and strawberries. I got a zucchini and a squash for meals. Avocado for a meal. Flour tortilla for Jared, better cheddar for a meal this week, and then some medicine. This is Jared's medicine, the Alka-Seltzer Plus cold, and then I'm getting a sinus cold, so I got some Alka-Seltzer Plus pills. It's the day and the night time, so hopefully it's just a sinus, and I won't get like a congestion, mucus, and all that stuff. I can't deal with that, you guys. Also, so on Christmas, the clearance was 50% off. I wanted some boxes for next year. Here's the 10 gift box. I really didn't find out how much this was. That's really sad. I just rung it up. Anyways, and then I found this metal thing. So we don't have anything on our coffee table. So all of our like controllers and like pens and stuff are like all scattered. So I thought that this was a nice size to put on our coffee table in the living room, and it was $11 and we only paid $5. Well, it's $11.98 and we paid $5 for it, so I thought that was a really good steal. So here is the overview once again of all of our grocery haul, and let me grab the clipboard and we will go over the meal plan real quick. Alright, here's the meal plan. So Sunday we're going to have hot dogs with air fry fries. Monday I'm working on 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. So we're going to have chicken and rice. It's called the No Peak chicken that we're going to use because we have leftover rice that we're going to use. And then we'll just cook up some chicken and mix the cream of celery and cream of mushroom in it. So it should be good. Tuesday we're going to have leftovers, but I kind of flipped it around because on New Year's Day I'm working 3 to 11. We're going to have greens, black eyed peas, and I said ham ? Or we can just eat the leftover chicken and rice with it. So it's fine as long as I get my greens and my black eyed peas in, right? Thursday we're going to have breakfast. Friday we're going to have tacos. And then Saturday we are heading to New Orleans for Comic-Con this year. So that is going to be super fun. I already bought our tickets. But yeah, so that was our weekly meal plan. And here is our grocery haul once again. Make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know if you enjoy the grocery hauls or the meal plan. And let me know what you are going to be cooking for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. And I will see you guys later. Bye.